You guys are about to witness history. I'm going to be the first person to ever teach a mathematical proof to a horse. Mr. Horse, did you know that the sum of the first n odd numbers always equals n squared? And we can actually prove this fact using something as simple as Lego bricks. So let's start with the first odd number, 1. So we have one Lego brick, which is a square of length 1. Now that you have this unit square, you can also get the next odd number by adding two more of them. Put another unit square to the left and up, making this little L that is 3 units in area. Now, if you slot the 1 into that little missing spot on the 3, we now have a square of side length 2. So that's 2 squared after adding the first two odd numbers. And you can keep iterating this way by adding another unit square up and to the left of this L. You make a slightly bigger L with an area of 5. Add another one, now you have 7, and it keeps going up, being the next and next odd number. And you can keep slotting in these L's to make a larger square, which will always be of side length n being the amount of times you've iterated through this process. So you'll find that for any n, the first n odd numbers will equal n squared. So with 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11, no, plus 9, not 11, scratch that, will always equal 25, which is 5 squared. And this is true for all n. We can display this fact using this symbol right here called sigma. Trust me, that wasn't funny until last year. And above it, you write an n, which is as far as you want to go. You want to iterate through n times. And on the bottom, you write I equals 1 because you want to start out with 1. Then you take the expression 2i minus 1, which will always end up being the ith odd number, and you stick it right next to the sigma. So what this does is it iterates I through 1 to n and adds all those together. Sigma is the Greek letter that makes the S sound, so it stands for sum. And there you have your proof, Mr. Horsey. Pretty cool.